Hello everyone, I am M. Raju, Assistant Professor of English working for WITS Warangal. Welcome to WITS Connect. In the last class, we have discussed about expressing likes and dislikes. Today, and also making request. Today, we will discuss about describing words. Number 6 chapter, describing words. What do you mean by describing words? Describing word is a word. It tells more about a noun. Describing word is a word. It tells about more about a noun. What do you mean by noun? Here we can understand first. Describing word is a word that tells us more about a noun. Here, what do you mean by noun? What do you mean by noun? Noun is a naming part. Noun is a naming part. What is the definition of noun? Noun is a naming part. It tells about place, persons and cities and things. Noun is a naming part. It tells about places, persons and things. And also here we can understand, I am giving the example. Coming to the examples, a tall man, a tall man, a tall man. Here the tall is a noun. Here the tall is a noun. And also what do you mean by, here the tall is a adjective. Tall is a adjective. Tall is a adjective. And also noun is a naming part. It tells about more about places, things and person. Here coming to the describing words, mostly we use in this describing words, mostly we use adjective. Mostly we use adjectives. What do you mean by adjectives? Here adjective, it tells about quality, quantity, size and places and things, color and taste and numbers. Here cardinal and ordinal numbers. Here mostly we use in describing words, mostly we use adjectives. Mostly we use adjectives. Adjectives speaks about quality, quantity, size, color and numbers Here the tall is a adjective. A sunny day and days also. Here two chocolates. Here the number 2 is a adjective. Delhi is a big city. Here the big is a adjective. Hari is a good boy. Here the good is a adjective. Yellow butterfly. Here the color. Here the yellow is the color, means adjective. Heart is the hot water is a adjective. Coming to the describing words, students, a describing word is a word that tells us more about a noun. What do you mean by noun? Noun is a naming part. You already studied in the past. Noun is a naming part. It speaks about persons. It's a naming part. It speaks about persons, names and places and things. Coming to the describing words, in this describing, while we are describing, mostly we use adjectives. What do you mean by adjective? Adjective always speaks about quality and quantity, places, things and color and numbers. These are the mostly we use in a describing words. In this describing words, adjective played an important role. Okay students, here I am giving the example about describing words. Lavanya is a tall and slim woman in her early 20s. She had a thick black hair and brown eyes. She usually wears traditional Indian clothes. She is very shy. Sometimes she finds it difficult to make friends. She finds it difficult to make new friends. Here is the paragraph describing about Lavanya. By looking this paragraph, you can observe what is Lavanya. What is Lavanya? Here you can observe what are the adjectives in this paragraph. Here, tall. Identify the adjectives. Here, tall. Here, vase, black. Here, traditional, 20s, woman in her Indian clothes. She is very shy. She went to make. Here you can understand, you can identify tall, slim, traditional, thick, shy, difficult and new. These are the adjectives in this paragraph. We can, whatever the paragraph, while we are reading, while we are looking any paragraph, we can observe, we can identify the adjectives. Adjectives are the most important in while writing a paragraphs. This is about example activity 1, describing words. Describing words. Okay students, I am giving the activity 2. Use this adjective which is in the box and use in a sentences. Here, heavy, few, several, hearty, glorious, small, neither, red, very, long, second, royal, faithful, cold and great. These are all called adjectives. These are called adjectives. Here I am giving some examples where to fix some adjectives and how to use according to the situation. Here, she is a person of dash words. She is a person of dash words. A dog is very dash to its master. A dog is very dash to its master. I like the dash shirt. The way was dash. The wind was dash. John won the dash prize. Abhimanyu died a dash death. Here you can fix some heavy, few, several. There are some words can use according to the situation which is very applicable. And she is a person of few words. She is a person of few words. Few is a adjective here. Next, a dog is a very faithful to its master. A dog is a faithful to its master. Few and faithful also adjectives. I like the red shirt. I like the red shirt. Red is a adjective. The way was long. It's called distance. The way was long. The wind was cold. John won the dash prize. Second is a adjective also talks about the numbers. Abhimanyu died dash a glorious. Glorious is a adjective. These are some example, and you can also, there are some remaining also is there, but use some examples and write down some examples in according to the use some adjectives with the help of examples in your own. Okay students, here I am giving the next example. Correct the following. Correct the following. Here sometimes we can observe. We all know about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative. There are 3 degrees in English. Positive degree and comparative degree and superlative. For example, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and cleverest is the highest degree in degrees of comparison. Superlative degree, this is the highest degree. Here you can understand degrees of comparison or degrees of adjectives under. Yes. Correct the following. Correct the following. Mount Everest is the most highest peak in the world. We all know about Mount Everest is the most highest peak in the world. Here, what is the mistake in that? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Highest peak in the world. Here the most and highest. You should not come in the side by side. Here Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Isn't it? They did not go to any further in the forest. Further in the forest. And here the spelling. The further. For this further talking about and this distance and physical distance. This is talking about distance and this further is talking about physical distance, isn't it? Further, F-U-R-T-H-E-R and F-A-R-T-H-E-R. Further, further, isn't it? Okay, here is the spelling F-A-R-T-H-E-R, we can write. It is the most expensive, it is the most unique opportunity for the Indians. It is the most unique opportunity for the Indians. Here, you can write it is the unique opportunity for the Indians. It is unique opportunity for the Indians. Lata is junior than him. Lata is junior than him. Here you can write to. Lata is junior to him. Junior to him. When you are saying that junior, the comparing, you can use to. Many a teacher have ennobled the profession. Ennobled the profession. Here many a teacher has ennobled the profession. Next, the blue pen is the most expensive of the two. The blue pen is the most expensive of the pen. Here the blue is the more expensive of the two. The blue is the more expensive of the two. Here you can understand the degrees of comparison. The degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees in English: positive degree and comparative degree and superlative degree. Tall, taller, tallest, positive, comparative and superlative degree. Here you can understand the current, wherever you get the opportunity to correct the following about the adjectives, here you can follow the structure. Here I am giving the common errors in English. Common errors in English. I am senior than Bhaskar is. I am senior than Bhaskar is. Is this right? No. And you can write I am senior to. You can use the to. I am senior to Bhaskar. I am senior to Bhaskar. This is the most perfect solution to this problem. This is the most perfect solution to this problem. You should not say like that. This is the perfect solution to this problem. Here the most, you can delete the most. This is the perfect solution to this problem. Here we can find many times, but you can observe the things and which we committed in a common, that is a common errors, common mistakes. While we are speaking, while we are writing, you can follow the hand. This is about describing words. Today I am giving some assignment for you, and the assignment 1 and 2. The first one, describe your classmates. Use as many adjectives as possible to describe him or her. Sometimes you can use describe your friends. Use as many as possible adjectives. Only adjectives. This lesson is totally based on adjective. Describe him. And also I am giving another example. Describe your role model. Describe your role model. Everybody has their own role model, isn't it? That's why describe your role model. And also use the adjectives as possible. Whenever you get a chance, you can describe him, the people, you can use the mostly adjectives. This is about today's class, describing words. I hope you will understand. Thanks very much. Thanks for joining.